Hello friends, welcome back to official YouTube channel of the Education Hub. In the today's video we are going to cover the topic electric circuit and its components, and then I will tell you about how can we draw the electric circuit with the use of its symbols. So let's start. Electric circuit: a continuous conducting path consisting of wires and other resistances like electric bulb, etc., and a switch between the two terminals of a cell or a battery along which an electric current flows is called a circuit. दैट मीन सर्किट क्या, एक कंटिन्यूस कंडक्टिंग पाथ होगा जिसमें आपकी वायर होगी और भी कोई रेजिस्टेंस हो सकता है, लाइक द बल्ब हो सकता है, फैन हो सकता है, एंड अदर इलेक्ट्रिकल अप्लायंसेस, and there will be a switch between the two terminals of the cell or a battery and current is flowing through it. So वो होगा आपका electric circuit. Or we can also define it like this: a closed continuous path through which electric current can be passed is called an electric circuit. That means a closed continuous path है जिसमें से आपका current can be passed, so that will be an electric circuit. So now let's talk about the types of electric circuit. There are basically two types of electric circuit. One is open circuit and second one is closed circuit. So now let's talk about the open and closed circuit. Open circuit: a circuit which have gap between its two terminals is called an open circuit. यानी कि आपका कोई सर्किट है, उसके टू टर्मिनल्स के बीच में कहीं भी गैप आपको मिल जाता है तो दैट इज एन open circuit. For example, I draw a diagram here. Here you can see this is a bulb, this is the connecting wire, this is a switch, and this is a battery. Now we have a gap between its two terminal here in the switch. Now switch is in off position. We will discuss about the things that we are using here. सो दैट मीन्स दिस इज़ एन ओपन सर्किट. तो ओपन सर्किट होने के जो चांसेस है या फिर जो रीजंस है, दे मे बी, व्हाट आर द रीजंस बाय विच अ सर्किट इज सेड टू बी एन ओपन सर्किट. स्विच इज़ ऑफ लाइक दिस, जैसे यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं स्विच ऑफ है. सेकेंड, बल्ब में बी फ्यूज़, इट मे बी फ्यूज़, जो आपका बल्ब है बल्ब फ्यूज़ हो जाता है. थर्ड, वायर में बी ब्रेक, वायर कहीं से भी ब्रेक हो सकती है. एंड द फोर्थ रीज़न कैन बी सेल और बैटरी इज़ यूज्ड अप. आपका सेल जो या बैटरी जो आप यूज़ कर रहे हो दैट इज़ यूज्ड अप. दीज आर द रीजन्स बाय विच एन सर्किट मे बी एन ओपन सर्किट. नाउ लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द क्लोज सर्किट. A circuit which do not have gap between its two terminals is called a closed circuit. That means अगर मैं आपके इसी वाले सर्किट में क्या करता हूँ, गैप को फिनिश अप कर देता हूँ, यानी कि स्विच को अगर मैं ऑन कर देता हूँ, then this circuit will be known as a closed circuit. Like this. तो क्लोज सर्किट में क्या होता है, देर इज नो गैप बिटवीन द टर्मिनल्स. नाउ यू कैन सी दिस इज एन एमीटर यूज टू मेजर द करंट. This is a battery. Switch. Now switch is in on position and this is the direction of current. Now bulb is glowing up. Okay, so this is the closed circuit. Now let's talk about the components of electric circuit and their symbols. So there are various components of the electric circuit. Now we are going to talk about some basic and the important symbols. Number one is cell. Cell can be drawn here like this. That means एक आपकी longer line होगी और एक shorter line होगी. Longer line will represent positive terminal and the shorter line will represent negative terminal. Now the second is battery. As we know that the battery is a combination of cells. So now you can see that there are two cells in this battery. So battery may contain two or more than two cells. Same thing will be here. Positive terminal will be represented by the longer line and the shorter line will represent negative terminal. Connecting wire. Connecting wire can be represented by drawing a simple line. This is the symbol of resistor or a resistance. This is the symbol of variable resistance, that means a rheostat. Now ammeter is denoted by this symbol, यानी कि आप A लिखोगे, अगर A के प्लेस पे मैं V लिख देता हूँ तो that will be a voltmeter, and by writing G it will be a galvanometer. Now the next symbol is of the switch. Switch is of two type, open and close. So this is the representation of one open switch, and this is the representation of a closed switch. Now let's talk about the bulb. Bulb also have two positions, on and off. On position of the bulb can be represented like this, and off position can be like this. So these are the components and their symbols of the electric circuit. Now if you want to draw a circuit, so now how can we draw it? So सबसे पहले हम बात करेंगे कि what are the components of the circuit that are given. For example, we have given a question that is, draw a circuit in which there is a bulb. So bulb जो है वो हम इस तरीके से represent करेंगे, and a battery of 3 cells. So one cell, 2 cell and 3 cell. Now join these cells and a switch. So switch is like this, and an ammeter are connected by a connecting wire. So now you can see that this is the simple representation of an electric circuit. Now you can see there is a gap between its two terminals here. So this is an open circuit. Now if we press the key, then the current will start flowing from the positive terminal, and the bulb will start glowing, and the ammeter will show some readings of the electric current. और अगर आपको इसी सर्किट में वोल्टमीटर भी लगाना होगा, then the voltmeter will be connected in parallel. I hope you enjoy it and have a good day.